The push towards electrics means changes in the automotive industry are impacting every OEM, even those tailor-made for it. Elektrek first reported that EV leader Tesla is cutting, quote, more than 10% of its workers. Citing an internal memo, the company is reporting looking at cost reductions and increasing productivity and will target its global workforce. While no hard number was released, 10% of Tesla's worldwide staff would amount to 14,000 job cuts or more. Elektrek says the writing has been on the wall, and their sources said in the weeks leading up to the memo, managers were being asked to identify their critical team members. The company also paused some bonuses and canceled performance reviews while also cutting production at its plant in China. Musk's email memo also suggests that the company's rapid scale led to redundancies in Tesla's workforce, though experts believe there is more to the story, including Tesla's slow rollout of new models, lower delivery volumes, and multiple price cuts impacting its profit margin. From a market standpoint, Reuters cites Craig Irwin, a research analyst at Roth Capital, who said that the layoffs indicate that Tesla believes weak growth in the EV sector will continue. Tesla has faced a rash of other problems in recent weeks, including settling a lawsuit filed by the family of a man who was killed in a crash while allegedly using Tesla's autopilot autonomous driving system. Not to mention the automaker's stock has dropped some 30% so far this year after a delivery slowdown, amid reoccurring problems with the company's long-anticipated Cybertruck. In the memo, CEO Elon Musk says there is, quote, nothing he hates more than having to lay off staff, but that leaning out the organization will enable Tesla to be, quote, innovative and hungry for the next growth phase cycle. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.